economical, super reliable, sounding like all-day and night Audiomatic Express. It can moo like a cow. It can go moo, moo-ity-moo. The trolley train can do it. Hey, how about you?
Moo, moo-ity-moo.
Can you sound like a circus organ? The trolley train can boo. How about you? Can you go boo-boo-boo?
Boo-boo-boo.
Say, how about a walrus? Or the whistling breeze of a flying trapeze? Swoop, zoom, swoop. Is there such a thing as an upside-down sound? Listen to this. It goes swim, swim, swim. Are you feeling keen to be the star-on machine? Plop, ploppity, plop, plop, bop, bumpity, bop, bop, jiggity, jerk, rickety, rick, jerk. The trolley train goes tacky. We're sounding all trafficky. How about you? Can you go beep?
Honkity honk, beep-beep-beep.
When the trolley train goes rolling past, we know how it sounds to go really fast with a swish, swoosh, compressed. Now don't you be last. Make the sound of fast.
Swish, swoosh, blast.
Oh, the mighty trolley train makes a loud hullabaloo. It's the sound of fun. Can you make it too?
Wee, wee, woohoo.
Like a beach ball, the trolley train is going boing, 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 boing. Boom, boom, the trolley train is a wonder. Boom, boom, hear the waves thunder. Oh, listen to this. What an earful of luck. We can hear the sound of old McBean's truck. Bang, bong, chug. Can you make that sound too?
Bang, bong, chug, bang, bong, chug.
And a sneak farewell to toodaloo, toodaloo. Time for the trolley train to say toodaloo now. How about you?
Toodaloo, toodaloo.
So goodbye, Sneeches. Goodbye all around. We won't forget all the wonderful sounds.
Please remain seated with your hands and feet inside the car until you're asked to disembark.